Hello everyone. So today we are going to see what are the benefits of rose water and how to use it for the face and skin plus its side effects. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe and watch this video till the end. The importance of rose water has long been recognized. In ancient times, rose water was combined with teas to make a refreshing beauty drink. Applying rose water on the skin can instantly reduce fatigue and dullness. Rose water can also treat dark circles, sunburn, and pigmentation. It works as a wonderful moisturizer for your skin and gives you a beautiful rosy glow. So, without wasting time, let's get into the video. Rose water offers numerous benefits for the skin. However, it may also cause some adverse skin reactions. So in this video, we will discuss everything you should know about rose water, the benefits and the risk before you use it on your face and skin. The first benefit of rose water for face is to use it as a toner. And for this you will need two ingredients, which is saffron strands and rose water. What you have to do is soak a couple of saffron strands in a half a cup of rose water and then store the mixture in a bottle. After leaving it for soaking well, then saturate a cotton pad with the mixture and dab it on your cleansed face. Let the rose water dry. This combination may help to brighten your skin because this saffron helps in toning of the skin and it also gives you a fresh and a glowing skin, whereas the rose water helps in maintaining the pH of the skin. So tone your face using this rose water mixture every day. Do it twice a day and watch how you get compliments for the supple and baby soft skin. The next benefit of rose water is to use it as a moisturizer. For this remedy, you will need only two ingredients, which is cold pressed or virgin coconut oil and rose water. What you have to do is mix 1 tablespoon of cold pressed or virgin coconut oil, it means the solid coconut oil, with 3 tablespoons of rose water. Then massage a small amount of the mixture onto your skin. This mixture is one of the best natural moisturizers because the coconut oil helps to hydrate your skin and protects the skin barrier, whereas the rose water makes your skin feel refreshed. If you have extremely dry skin, then this mixture will hydrate your skin instantly. However, if you have oily skin, then avoid using coconut oil, just go for the rose water. So using this moisturizer twice a day will help you to heal the skin from issues like dark spots and pigmentations. The next benefit of rose water is interesting because you might have not heard this before, and that is using rose water for pink lips. For your lips to look reddish or pink and beautiful, use this mixture. And for this mixture you will need only two ingredients, which is beetroot juice and rose water. What you have to do is take 2 tablespoons of beetroot juice and 3 tablespoons of rose water and mix them well. After mixing it well, freeze this mixture. So apply this mixture on your lips at night and wash it off the next morning. This pack not only adds a beautiful pink tint to your lips but also makes them super soft. Why? Because beetroot is very great at lightening your lips and rose water helps to hydrate and moisturizes your lip, so you'll not only get a pink lips but also a soft lips too. So try this mixture and your rosy lips is assured just in a month. So the next benefit is using rose water for cleansed and fresh skin. Rose water for oily skin can result in refreshing your face, and for this result, what you have to do is extract the juice of half a cucumber and blend it with 2 tablespoons of honey and 1 tablespoon of rose water. Apply this mask to your face and leave it on for 15 minutes before washing off. This face mask will soothe sensitive skin. Cucumber feels extremely cooling on the skin and has a refreshing effect, whereas the rose water will remove the dirt, tan and other skin issues. Next benefit is using rose water for skin brightening. Rose water, when used with sandal powder, can give you a brighter and a younger looking skin. So For this DIY face pack, you will need 2 tablespoons of sandalwood powder and 3 to 4 tablespoons of rose water. Make a paste by mixing rose water and sandalwood powder. Then mix them well and apply it on your face and let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes. Wash it off after it dries. As you all know that sandalwood powder removes tan, dark spot, blackheads, whiteheads and even acne, whereas the rose water gives you a natural glow to your skin. So do try this remedy and don't forget to give your feedback on the comment section. Next benefit of rose water is to use them for exfoliation, and for exfoliation nothing is best than using multani mitti. Multani mitti is widely used as an exfoliating agent, so this face pack can help to get a clear and brighter skin. And what you have to do is mix 1 tablespoon of multani mitti with 2 tablespoons of rose water and apply it to your face. Massage your face gently for a couple of minutes, then let the mask dry before washing off. The next benefit of rose water is using them for hydration, and for this what you have to do is mix 3 tablespoons of rose water with 2 tablespoons of honey. Apply this mixture to your face like a mask, then leave it on for 15 minutes and rinse it off with cold water. Honey has hydrating properties that helps to seal the moisture in your skin. In combination with rose water, honey makes for an excellent hydrating solution for dry skin. Next benefit of rose water is to use it for sunburns and rashes, and for this you will need holy basils, it means tulsi leaves and rose water. What you have to do is crush 10 to 15 holy basil or tulsi leaves and add 200 ml of rose water to it. Then pour the mixture into a spray bottle and refrigerate for a couple of hours. Then spray the mixture onto the affected areas. The holy basil rose water mixture has excellent cooling properties. Holy basil also has antibacterial and antifungal properties. So this solution helps to calm your skin, soothes your sunburn and heals the red and itchy patches of the skin. Whereas the rose water also helps in calming and soothing your skin. So if you are facing with the sunburn and rashes, then do try this remedy. Next benefit is using rose water for tight and oil-free skin. And you all know that tomatoes are a great ingredient for your skin. They help in reducing the excess oil from the skin. Using tomatoes along with rose water helps in keeping the skin clean, and it also removes oil from the face. Tomatoes are also beneficial in increasing the elasticity of the skin. To prepare this face pack, you need to mix 1 tablespoon of rose water with 1 tablespoon of tomato juice. Then using a cotton ball, apply this mixture all over your face and neck. Let it dry and then wash it off and enjoy the clear and oil-free tight skin. The last benefit of rose water is to use them for inflammation. And for this you will need 2 ingredients, which is aloe vera and rose water. So this face pack helps to soothe your skin and prevent inflammation. So what you have to do is combine a tablespoon each of rose water and aloe vera. Then apply the mixture to your face like a face pack. Then leave it on for 20 minutes and wash it off. Aloe vera gel is an excellent skincare ingredient that helps to reduce inflammation, whereas it also has antibacterial properties too. So this mixture is just best for using it for inflammation and for redness. Side effects of the rose water. As I have already mentioned, the benefit of rose water are numerous and are generally considered to be safe. There are not any significant side effect of rose water. However, it contains rose essential oil which may cause allergies in some people. Hence, it is better to do a patch test before you use rose water. If you are sensitive to rose water, then you may experience itching or burning sensation or stinging or redness or rashes over your skin. If you don't find any of these sensations, then you're free to use them and it is safe for you. And if you feel any of these sensations, then stop using rose water and consult a dermatologist. Rosewater is an extremely popular ingredient and preferred by women of all ages as their go-to solution for irritated skin. You may follow any of these remedies to keep your skin healthy and calm, but remember to do a patch test before using rosewater. And if you like this content, give a thumbs up and share it to others. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe and keep sharing, keep loving. Take care. Bye bye.